Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful mini Christmas tree stand. One of them is made out of photo and the other out of a mirror. And I'm going to show you how to turn those mini trees that you get from Dollar Tree into these beauties right here. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. All right, let's get into the tutorial, okay? Let's start with the tree right here that I got purchased from Dollar Tree. So now you're gonna want two of these, two trees, white ones or the green ones, and they're $1 at Dollar Tree. This is how they look. It's not much to it, guys. Like I said, you get what you pay for. It's $1. So now we're just gonna transform this tree into, I'm gonna try to make it thicker as well as a little higher. So what I'm gonna do, that's why we're gonna use two trees. We're gonna kind of collide them together, bring them together, and kind of make it a little more fuller and then a little bit higher. So when we do put them in the frame, the picture frames, you know, they can stand a little higher and look a little bigger because it's very tiny right now. And there's nothing to it really, honestly. Like I said, you get what you pay for. So let's go ahead and let me go ahead and do that. So get your Christmas tree. I'm going to use the green one today, but I'm just going to do the tutorial purposes on the white one. But I'm going to be making two of them anyways. It's going to be one for my living room and one for my bedroom. So let's go ahead and get the other one. So get your two mini trees. So these little holders, stand holders, comes with it. So you don't need that, and you don't need this piece right here. So you're going to just take that apart, put that aside, and just gonna open it out like so. Like I said, you see, it's like huge gaps in between, guys. It's very thin and I mean, you can't really do much with this tree. So this is why we're gonna transform it today. What you're gonna do is take one of your tree and then you're gonna collide it together, basically like this, kind of like that, okay? You see the difference? You see the height is more high, it's more higher, and then you have a little bit more in there. So what we're gonna do is just, like I said, if you wanna go higher, guys, you can. Just put it higher if you need a higher tree. If you want a longer tree like this, or you can go like this and make it shorter like that. But I'm gonna go a little higher, like right there, about there. So what we're gonna do is we're going to get some tape. Some tape. Don't worry about the tape and showing, because once you finish decorating and everything, it won't be a problem at all. So go ahead and just take that down. Make sure it's locked in very tightly in there. Like I said, you probably don't even need, we need just about one, but I'm gonna put another one down at the bottom just to secure it. All right, so now you have this right here. Now it should look like this so far. So let's go ahead and just fix these up and pull them apart and make it look a little better than what it looks right now. So we're just gonna leave it as that. That's good enough right there. So now you have it looking like, you probably can't see it, but that's a huge difference. You see the difference? I mean, this is a long, there's a huge difference. There's this one here that we just got compared to this one. I got this garland from Dollar Tree that I'm gonna use for this one here specifically, because this is green. But this one here didn't have this size garland in the white. They had, this is the 15 feet. But I didn't have this garland here, which was single, and this is 9 feet. Like I said, it'll do. So I just end up purchasing 3 of them separately. So I just have enough where I can be able to put it around. So this is what I'm gonna use to fold this tree up a little bit more. Yeah, guys, look at that. Look how full that looks. That looks really good. I love it. So once again, that's all set. That looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the green one. Okay guys, here it is. There it is. It looks good. Look how full that looks. Doesn't that look good? I love it. I can't wait to decorate these. So that's awesome. And here's the white one. Probably can't see it with this light. Let me try to bring it over here and then bring it over here. But they came out awesome. Look at that, guys. I love the fullness of it. See that? That looks really good. Go ahead and get the stand for it, the picture frame stand. So I'm gonna do one with picture frame and the other one I'm gonna do with a mirror, the mirrors. So let's go ahead and get a picture frame and we're gonna put it, this one here is gonna do the picture frame and this one's gonna be the mirror. Okay guys, looks like a picture frame are dry. I spray painted white and I use this spray paint just in case you guys wanted to purchase it. Before we put it together, glue it together, please guys make sure you put your pictures in there first, okay? You want to do that because once you glue these things up, it's gonna be very difficult to put a picture in there. So just make sure you do that first. Put your picture in there, guys, okay? And the back of the picture, take this off, the stand piece off because you don't need that. That's unnecessary. It's very easy. Just go ahead and just, you don't want to rip it. Just rip the piece off and you can leave that little piece on the back there. That's not necessary for you to take off. Just this part right here. Okay guys, when you're all set with putting your pictures in there, just go ahead and lay it out the way you want your pictures to lay out. If you want certain pictures in the front, which one you want in the front, which one you want in the back or the side, okay? Just lay them out the way you want to. And by the way guys, this is a 4x6 picture frame, just in case you need to know that, the size. You can get a smaller size or you can get this size here. So, okay. And then now we're gonna, after you lay your picture out how you want it, the pictures you want where, then we're gonna go ahead and glue it with their E6000 glue, as well as, you know, I always use my hot glue gun just to speed up the process, as well as it just gives that extra hold as well too. So like I said, this does not dry on contact right away, so I need some help from this guy here. So we're gonna use the hot glue gun plus the E6000 on this thing. So, and then afterwards we finish putting it all together, we're gonna definitely use a cardboard for the bottom part, okay? Or a foam board. You can get a white foam board or black foam board at Dollar Tree as well. But I had a piece of cardboard lying around, so I decided to use this. So let's go ahead and just, like I said, lay your pictures how you want it to be, what pictures you want to be in the front, the side, and the back. And then we're gonna gather it all together. So I want this pictures in front, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue these two pieces right now together. So, like I said, put your E6000 on first, and then you can put the hot glue gun over that and then stick it together. So let's go ahead and do these two first. And then go ahead and put some inside of the frame. The the inside here, just put it, glue all the way down, line all the way down, okay? All right, guys, and go ahead and put the other ones on there, okay? Okay, guys, now you should have this right here. This is how it's supposed to look right now, okay? And it came out pretty good, so I was happy with that. Okay, all right, so you can leave it like this, guys, but you know me, you can leave it like this. I'm gonna cover these corners here, these lines. The diamond wraps, like I said, you can get these from Dollar Tree. This one here, I think I did purchase from Walmart. It's a little thicker. Purchased that a long time ago. Yeah, this one is just a little thicker. I'm just gonna use this out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the, you know what, before I even put this on, guys, let me go ahead and just seal the bottom part of this up. So just go ahead and put that on top of there, on top of your board or foam board, whatever you're using. And then you're just gonna trace it out with a pen or pencil. Trace around it, all the way around. You can flip it upwards. So you can get a good, and just go ahead and glue that down there, guys. Should be good. Should look like that, guys. And now you have that. Now you're gonna need foam. The craft floor foam. You can get 2 of these from Dollar Tree as well. 2 of them are gonna be like where it's high enough where I can put the Christmas tree in there. So that's why I got 2 of them, because like I said, this is very deep. Like I said, guys, if you want to get a smaller frames, you can. I just got this bigger frames because of the size of my pictures, and I just figured it's perfect for it. So if you want to get smaller frames, you can. But this is a 4x6, like I said, and you need 2 of these in order for the Christmas tree to stuck there. See, it's like, it gives it a little boost, and the Christmas tree probably will not be able to reach down that far. So 2 is perfect size. And we're gonna glue the bottom one down, and we're gonna glue this one here to the other one at the bottom of this. And then we should be set with that area. So let's go ahead and take that out and glue that in place. And then we can put a Christmas tree in there. I'm so excited. And let's put some hot glue in there, and then we can stick that down so it can stay in place, okay? Just you can flip that in there, guys. Drop that in there. Sit there. Awesome. Okay, let's go ahead and glue the other one down to the other one, okay? There we go. And let's go ahead and just put these on there. Like I said, you don't have to put this on there, guys. This is just me doing extra stuff to it. So just go ahead if you want to put that on there. Now, if you don't, just go ahead and put your tree in there and then decorate it and you're good to go. But I'm gonna cover this up. Okay, guys, check it out. This looks really good. I love the way it turned out. So I put some bling inside there. It looks really good, guys. I love it. I love it. Turned out awesome. Awesome. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, guys, so that's good. Once that's finished, like I said, now you can put your tree on top of there. It's amazing because I'm literally decorating my house as I do these tutorials. So this is definitely a project that I'm gonna implement into my place. So go ahead and put your tree in there, and then we can start decorating. Okay. So right there. Oh, look at that. It's so beautiful. I love it. Okay, and so I have these here that I got purchased from Dollar Tree, a whole bunch of them. So I'm gonna be using for the white tree as well as the green tree. So And then we're gonna put some of this on there, as well as a few more things that I got from Dollar Tree to add to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it. Okay guys, so you can also use these mirror frames right here that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I purchased 4 of them. I'm gonna do the same thing I did for these frames right here to this. I'm just gonna glue everything around, and then this is gonna be one of my Christmas tree stand as well. It's gonna be for the white tree, so I'm gonna do the same thing. So if you wanna do that, you can do that. Look at this here. This looks so good. Okay, now we have the picture frame ones. Everything came out lovely. I love it. Okay, and then we have the mirror one. I love this. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love, love, love it. Love it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of bling in the bottom here just to cover up that board to make it look nice and clean, guys. But yeah, and then I'm gonna decorate these beauties, and then yeah, that's it for our tutorial, guys. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'm gonna definitely put a video up afterwards showing you the end results, or in the beginning or the end. It don't matter, but they will have a video up showing the decorations on these trees and everything. I hope you guys make your own. And like I said, these are very affordable. Be creative with it, guys, and just decorate it the way you want to. And this is my own creation. Once again, I always come up with new things and unique creation, you know, try to get things that nobody else have out there. So try to bring it to you guys first, you know. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. You guys will definitely see me in my next video. All right, guys, have a great one. Bye, my YouTubers. Thank you. Bye.